In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your trainers. It's important that you create your trainers as contacts in the system, which you can do via the Contacts menu and pressing Add New Contact. I've already completed this, so I'm going to mouse over the Contacts menu and go down to Trainers. From here, we now need to add a new trainer, which we can do via the button at the top here. Now, click this icon and search for the contact we wish to add as the trainer. This is all the required information we need. However, feel free to specify any further details. After submitting, we'll now be looking at our list of trainers. The next thing we need to do is to specify which competencies the trainer has, which we can do by the Trainer Competencies button near the top. Trainer competencies are unit specific. First, select the qualification for which we're marking competencies for the trainer. You can now see all units a part of that qualification are displaying here. This top section includes further filtering options in case you have a lot of trainers. In the section below, we can specify the competency level the trainer has for the units we would like to update using this drop-down. I'm going to select Dave as competent to train and assess, and then quickly select all units by clicking the checkbox on the left-hand side of the matrix. Once complete, press Update All Selected and proceed with the bulk change. If successful, the units should be shaded a color based on the competency status you selected. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to add a trainer and how to apply competency statuses for units they are competent to train. The next video will demonstrate how to add a new class.